Hey! Welcome to the ultimate crash course on using StudyScape by Creatifyo. Let's dive in before we procrastinate again. So this is the main dashboard. Ooh, aesthetic. Want to change the vibe? Hover over the cover image, click Change Cover, pick from Unsplash, Upload, paste a link, or go wild with the pre-made ones. Now that little graduation hat emoji? Click it. Boom! New emoji. See that call-out box? Want a makeover? Hover left, click the 6 dots, change icon, color, or delete like a boss. Buttons? Same deal. Click, change icon or color, slay. Next, the navigation bar has all your links. Cute, organized, and you can still change icons or colors if you're feeling fancy. Daily timetable. Click, backspace, type. Need more rows? Hover at the bottom. Press that little gray plus. To delete something? 6 dots, delete. Easy peasy. Pomodoro timer. It's from Get Cairo. You can change the color and timer. Just visit the website. Copy the link of the timer you want, go to Notion and type /embed and embed the link. Productivity, but make it pretty. Today's overview is auto-pulled from your assignments, exams, pages, tasks, /assignments tracker. Study playlist, your vibe, your music. Just replace the current one. Go to Spotify, copy playlist link by pressing the 3 dots, and then click Share, type /embed, paste, done. Upcoming deadlines? Yup, synced with your assignments. Exams, pages, tasks, /assignments, tracker. Academic goals? Text, icons, colors, all customizable. Want to add some aesthetic pics or GIFs? Type /image, then choose between upload, link, unsplash, or even GIFs. Yes, Jiffy works too. Class schedule. Want to delete a class? Right-click, then delete. Add a new one? Add the date, name the class, add room, notes, subject, time, type. Don't forget to add an icon if you want. Colorful text? Click the 3 dots, then change color or delete. Time for the Subjects Hub, aka where your academic chaos becomes organized chaos. At the top, there's a call-out box. Yes, you can change the icon plus text like always. To the right, the Subjects Template button. We'll get to that in a second. First, scroll down and you'll see all your subject pages. You can customize everything. Subject name, icon, cover image, classroom, course code, class days, and timings. Personalize it to match your vibe. Now go back and click the Subjects template. This one's fully loaded. It has basic info, which includes subject name, professor, credits, etc. Syllabus and topics. Tracker shows what's been taught, your understanding, revision status. If you took notes and did extra practice, check off as you go. Assignments. Tracker, linked to your master task /assignments database. Wanted to only show assignments for this subject? Click the 3 dots, then click Filter, Add Filter, then filter by subject name. Notes. Again, linked plus filtered by the subject. All your notes in one place? Yes, please. Then comes the exam prep area. Customize the exam format. Use the to-do checklist for prep tasks. Don't forget to tick them off. Past paper log. Record your attempts. Date, score, whether you reviewed it, and note your key mistakes. Super helpful for spotting weak spots. Revision plan table. Track topics, last revised date, confidence level, if it needs a rework, and number of practice problems done. Basically, your study BFF. Resource section. Add your go-to PDFs, books, websites, YouTube playlists, recordings, flashcard sets, etc. Just click and drop links. Bonus, there's a linked Flipkart database from your notes template, filtered by subject. You can also manually add flashcards, links, or docs here too. At the bottom, formula sheet plus to-dos for quick reference and last-minute prep. Edit freely. Pro tip, want to use this template for every subject? Just select everything inside, then press Ctrl plus C. Go to any subject page, then press Ctrl plus V. Boom, you're set. Okay, sorry, one last thing. You can even change the page format as you like. Click on the 3 dots at the top right, choose the font style, small text, and done. Welcome to the Assignments and Exams page, where chaos gets scheduled. First up, Tasks /assignments. Tracker. See all your assignments and homework at a glance. Want to add one? Click New Page, type task name, subject, type, due date, status, and priority. Need to delete or edit? Hover left, click 6 dots, go wild with delete, icon, or color changes. Next, Exam Tracker. Same vibe, different panic. Click New Page, add subject, exam name, date, days left, auto-counted, no more finger count. revision status, topics covered, prep level, and notes. Boom! You're now tracking deadlines like a boss. Welcome to the lecture notes page, your brain dump zone. All your notes, one place. The notes database lets you add title, subject, type, date, tags, and format. Want to open a note? Hover near the title, click Open as Page. Ta-da! Your own mini notes world. Now let's peek at the notes template. It has quick overview, key concepts, main notes content, write or embed links here, questions to ask or revise later, checklist/to-dos, and yup, flashcards. Click New. Type your question as the title, answer below, add subject plus chapter. To quiz yourself, think first, then click to reveal. Ta-da! Magic. By utilizing the notes template for each note, it helps in better understanding and last-min revisions. So don't hesitate, because I have been using them too. Plus, use the template for every new note. But yup, gotta copy, plus paste it manually. Notion's smart, but not that smart. Drum roll, please. It's the GPA tracker. Track both your semester and cumulative GPA, like the academic legend you are. Scroll down to the cumulative GPA tracker. Add course name, semester, grade, credit hours. Grade value and grade points? Auto-calculated. To get your cumulative GPA, just divide total grade points by total credit hours. Total sum can be seen below the tables. No calculator panic needed. Want to see semester GPA? Click on a semester. Boom! Filtered view with just those courses. Do the same math magic and you're done. Time for the study journal, your academic diary, but make it productive. Click the study templates link and use it as a daily, weekly, or monthly planner. Your choice. Inside, you've got reflections, daily, weekly, or monthly, what you learned, what was hard, etc. And also subject-specific reflections. Mood tracker, log your study session, mood, what affected it, and notes. Reward tracker, track tasks, progress, and the treat you're bribing yourself with. Affirmations, click New Page, add a cover with your favorite affirmation image. Boom! Motivation! Don't forget, copy plus paste the template each time you journal. Notion's cool, but it won't do that part for you. Next up, the resources page, aka your study treasure chest. Here's where all your important stuff lives. Just add title, subject, type, link or file, summary or notes, status, and date. Everything from PDFs to playlists, class notes to cheat sheets, all in one place. Organized, cute, and chaos-free. Enjoy! Ahem, ahem. Welcome to the finances page, where your money finally makes sense. Track every penny with cute widgets and super useful databases. Income tracker. Add date, hours worked, hourly rate, total earned, and whether you got paid, manifest yes. Want a different currency? Click a header, like hourly rate, click on edit property, number format, then pick your currency. Easy peasy. Expense tracker. Log date, item, category, amount, and notes. Now you'll know exactly where the money vanished. Monthly summary. Add the month, total income, expenses, and your savings. Auto-calculated, less. Plus, space for notes. Budgeting, but make it aesthetic. Say hello to the part-time page, where hustle meets organization. Track all your side gigs with the part-time job tracker. Just fill in job title, work days, shift times, hourly rate, start date, responsibilities, and any extra notes. Stay on top of your grind, and don't forget to romanticize your side hustle while you're at it. Welcome to the Job Apps and Internships page, where future you says thanks. Keep it all neat and pro in one place. Resources section. Add your resume, career site links, prep guides, basically your internship survival kit. Interview prep. Jot down questions, tips, pep talks, anything to help you nail that interview. Internships. Database. Track company name, role, example data analyst intern, applied date, deadline, location, status, and type. Want to make it cute? Click the page, change cover, then add the company logo or something for aesthetics. Job hunting, but make it organized and stylish. Pooh, we made it to the last stop. It's the habit tracker. Track your daily or weekly habits in the database. Just add the date, tick off each habit as you go, add new pages by clicking New and typing the date. Easy and satisfying. Or use the weekly tracker to check them off day by day. And that's a wrap on the tour of StudyScape, your new academic BFF. Hope this helps you stay on top of things and slay your studies. Got questions or feedback? Hit us up at Creatifyo77@gmail.com. Now go conquer your semester. Bye!